Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in. So follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day, today is the 6th day of May in the year 2024, and we are here checking out Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Splash Mountain, Broccoli Mountain, whatever you want to call it. Getting you the latest update that we can as of today. Let's see if anybody's working.
We've got the ride operating during the day. We've got the ride operating at night. You'll definitely want to stay to the end of the video to check out those shots.
So come along with us, check out Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and follow the Bradley's Fun. Well, here we are once again for another update on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We're going to see you every week until the opening. I don't know if these vlogs are going to be, they're not going to be super long. They might be super short, but we will do what we can because I'm bringing it for you guys out there. I know you want to know the updates. Well, it looks like Tiana's Foods is coming soon. How soon? Probably not as soon as the train, because I just heard the whistle blow. If you listen closely, you can hear Almost There playing inside Tiana's Bayou Mountain. I hear the train a-comin', it's coming round the bend. Oh boy, look at all these signs. They're already, I'm assuming that this weathering is not part of Imagineering, that they are actually getting weathered a bit. There it is in all its glory, the former Chickapin Hill. Oh, we miss you, Chickapin. We really, really do. I don't know if you can hear that. That is the music playing on the inside of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Coming soon to some broccoli near you, the Critter Co-op. Since this area is not occupied by an open ride, people are using it for all kinds of things, including vaping, which I saw, which you're not supposed to be doing in the park, especially next to your baby. I'm just saying. This is the one window that I haven't looked at yet. You got your okra back here, got your blackberries, walnuts, peanuts, apples, oranges, pumpkin, shallots, onions, green peppers, hot sauce. Let's look at that hot sauce. Can we zoom into that? Roasted pepper, roasted garlic original, and chili hot sauce. Celery, lettuce, and asparagus growing up there. What are they making with all this? Oh, there's a recipe. There is a recipe in there. Oh, we're gonna miss you, Splash. Well, we already miss you, Splash. But, you know, still got this part that really looks still pretty much the same as when it was Splash Mountain. Here's that damaged part of the sign.
There was a big deal made about this online. Not that big of a deal. I do hope, of course, they come in and fix it before the attraction opens.
On the Critter Co-op side, I wonder what the Critter Co-op is going to be. I think we should go into the Critter Co-op. But of course, we can't. Closed. Water is running through right now. I think it's around 5:30 p.m. The logs are not moving yet, but they are definitely testing the music inside the ride. That is playing loudly, and the music that I heard playing specifically was from the song Almost There from the movie. So if there's new music coming for the ride, which I'd heard that there's supposed to be, I haven't heard that yet. Also, so far, I have not seen any Imagineers outdoors today. That doesn't mean they're not here, but they probably are inside the ride right now. Okay, it is now 6:20 p.m. There is Drew the Disney guy up on the hill. Shout out to him. So over here, this whole attraction, even though it's a mountain and mountains don't exist anywhere in Louisiana, it's supposed to be the Louisiana Bayou. But the Louisiana Bayou in 1927 or I think it's 27, maybe it's 1929, because it's after the original Princess and the Frog takes place. But that era is definitely not the era of the frontier, and it's definitely not the Old West. So if it doesn't fit into Frontierland, will they have to change everything around Frontierland? And if they do, when are they going to do it? See, when you come just over from what is going to be Tiana's Bayou Adventure, you have Pecos built Tall Tale Inn, and it's pretty big. It actually takes up all the space over to this town hall. This is all Frontierland here. Pecos built Tall Tale Inn. The 1878 saloon doesn't exactly gel with 1929. Then you have the Gold Road stage line. You have Hardware 1876, Prairie Outpost and Supply. Then there's the Country Bears, and beyond that the Frontier Mercantile. The shooting galleries down that way. Thanks for the heads up by Drew the Disney guy. I gave him a shout out. He's got a cool channel too. Check him out. But they just sent the logs into the station. They are no longer out here, so there's a chance they may start running water and dropping logs. Logs are going to drop from the hole. Come join the party. Is the party starting? I don't know. Oh, look who's coming. Got some country bears coming to entertain. We got Chippendale. They're hanging out over here. Clarabelle. I think they're going to a party. Hi, Dale. Got some boat activity now. All right, this is the first time I've personally seen the boats actually moving through the water. So they are in fact doing the testing, and the boats are coming down and they're splashing and all the stuff that they're supposed to be doing.
This is a horrible shot, I know. I'm just trying to peek through the production scrim, but if you listen to the music blaring loud. All right, we've officially got ride testing, log dropping, logs flowing, the whole thing going. Yes! Once this is fully operating, I'm assuming that splash is going to be much bigger.
Well, they got the logs going now. So let's take a look at how this is going. Here they come down the mountain. Boom, boom. Down that one mountain in Louisiana that exists in the bayou. There it is. Oh, Chicken Pin Hill, how we miss you so much. Hole number 43 coming around the bend. I kind of love that the wildlife here does not care at all what's going on. You've got this egret or ibis. I always get the two types of birds confused. They're very similar, and there's a duck over here, of course, a Disney duck. They don't care. The squirrel doesn't care. And the frogs are non-existent. Just some cartoon frogs somewhere, probably. I could probably get a cartoon frog to show up right now if I want. There you go. There's Tiana. There's Naveen. Speaking of Tiana, shout out to good friend of the channel, Tiana Schaefer, who may be watching the video right now. I don't know. Definitely plenty of interest in this as the crowds gather to watch the attraction testing and watch the boats coming down. I see a boat going up the hill too. There it is. I can see the boat going through the ride now, and I also hear some dialogue happening, some narration or story going on. Right now, they have stopped running the logs, but they're also not parked out here, so that makes me wonder where they have them at the moment. Curious. We heard a lot going on the inside. I heard narration, maybe Mama Odie, maybe Tiana's voice, maybe Prince Naveem's voice. I'm not sure. I know I heard some narration, but I couldn't quite make it out. Imagineers are now on the ride. So the Imagineers are out here and they are ride testing right now. So they got boatloads of Imagineers going. Alright, that's cool. She's videoing us. We're videoing them. They look excited, I tell you that. At least they're having a good time. They're having a good time.
You guys were in the Imagineering video. Congrats, guys. I like your shirt. I like your shirt. Yes. Hi, Charita. Congratulations. It looks gorgeous. I hope to meet you guys soon. Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna step over here to this side.
I wanted to see what it kind of looks like from a distance. What is interesting also, because from this vantage point I can see a lot more of the mountain. And I want to try and zoom in and see if we can see it better. It's now dusk and the lights have come on. They're not really showing up yet because it's not quite dark enough out, but the lights are definitely on. More of Frontierland. Will it stay? Will it go? Frontier Shooting Arcade still open for right now. and the DVC spot. They call that the Getaway Stagecoach Line Disney Vacation Club. Just get information there. It's fireworks time. It's nighttime. And Tiana is still testing. That is so cool.
Well, that is our update for the first week of May for the construction progress of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Imagineers writing, including the head Imagineer of the project, Charita Carter. They also seem to have all the music and audio going. Please stay tuned to follow the Bradley's Fun, and we will continue to bring you these weekly updates on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Please remember to click that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click that notifications bell to be notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. Thank you so much for coming in to watch today's update of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Please remember to be kind to one another, and until next time, we will see ya real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao.